Do you dream of mastering the world of options trading? Let me introduce you to Keith Harwood. Keith is a 20-year veteran trader, market maker, and hedge fund trader. Options trading has its own set of rules, and when you know them, the game changes completely. Join FFR Trading's exclusive webinar on Thursday, October 19th, and get a first-hand look at Keith's Options Mastery Phase 1 trading course. It's about laying the foundation, understanding the intricacies, and then executing with precision. Why wait and miss out on the strategies that could transform your trading journey? After following Keith's insights, my approach to options trading has completely evolved. Keith's experience is unmatched. He truly is a master of the trade. Spaces are limited and they're filling up fast. I'm excited to share my knowledge with you. Let's navigate the world of options trading together. Sign up now and be part of this transformative event. Dive deep into the realm of options trading with one of the industry's best. FFR Trading's webinar with Keith Harwood. Be there and unlock your potential.